When Captain Cook sailed away in 1775, he left behind a mystery, but the 19th century brought new ambition and a burning question: what truly lay beyond the ice? In January 1820, the Russian expedition led by Captain Fabian Gottlieb von Bellingshausen became the first to see Antarctica, a sight no human had ever recorded before. Bellingshausen and his second-in-command, Mikhail Lazarev, circumnavigated the unknown land not once, but twice. They named new territories, Peter their first island, the Antarctic Peninsula, and proved that Antarctica was a single continuous continent, not a chain of islands. Almost simultaneously, other eyes saw the white land. British officer Edward Bransfield charted part of the Antarctic Peninsula, and just days later, American sealer Nathaniel Palmer sighted nearby islands. In the 1830s, a British captain named John Biscoe circumnavigated the Antarctic continent, only the third person in history to do so, after Cook and Bellingshausen. Biscoe's discovery of Enderby Land and Graham Land confirmed what few dared to believe: that Antarctica was a vast, connected continent stretching beneath the frozen sea. Then came one of the most important voyages of all, that of Captain James Clark Ross. From 1839 to 1843, Ross commanded the Erebus and Terror on a mission to study magnetism. He discovered the Ross Sea, the colossal ice barrier that still bears his name, and charted places that would become icons of Antarctic geography. By mid-century, the work of explorers from many nations, British, Russian, French, and American, had proven the truth. Antarctica was a continent. The Wilkes expedition charted what would be called Wilkes Land, and Ross's men became the first to see far beyond the ice barrier. They returned not just with maps, but with scientific treasures, data on the Earth's magnetism, weather, and geology that helped shape modern understanding of the planet. By the 1850s, Antarctica had been seen, mapped, and measured. But after these great voyages, the world turned away. For nearly half a century, no one returned to the ice. The continent fell silent once more, waiting for the next age of explorers. If you've made it this far into the frozen frontier, hit subscribe and join the crew. The next chapter is where legends are made, when explorers finally set foot on the coldest place on Earth.